more.
So even though the girls are identical to my daughter Sydney, this is my daughter Catherine, they're identical twins, and this is my son Christian. And I did talk to my friend who's a hairdresser, and she told me that if you want to do multiple colors, we are going to try to come up with some fun things for you guys to do to create a summer camp at your own and then pull back. So I thought it would be fun. Okay, this is how it will lay nicely because Kool-Aid is fun. So it's inexpensive and everybody loves it. So we're going to start with letting the girls dye their own hair with the Kool-Aid. So we parted her hair. And then they're 8, so that's a great activity for them. She is going to do just one ponytail. And then Christian and my oldest son Peyton now the best are going to have some more fun with the concentrate. They're going to make some. So we're going to get some conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you have at home. And we're going to microwave the conditioner for about 20 seconds. Okay? And then you're going to mix the Kool-Aid in to make a paste. So girls, you want to start making your conditioner, making your Kool-Aid mix, and take your towels off.
So do I just
Yeah, so you're going to pour the conditioner in there.
Isn't this pasta?
Okay, so I do a little bit more than that. Okay, that's good. Okay, so she's got about this much conditioner in there. You'll see that. Okay, Catherine, go ahead and put that in the microwave for about 20 seconds. We're going to warm it up. Okay, so when we put the conditioner in the microwave, it turned a little liquidy. And it got hot really quick with that 20 seconds. So what we had to do is add a little bit more conditioner to the hot liquid. And then we mixed 1 packet of Kool-Aid in there. And this is the blue. Now the fun thing is, not only does this Kool-Aid going to look great, but it's going to smell great too. So your kids are going to have some fruity smelling hair. So we're going to start with Catherine. She is going to be our blue girl. And she's going to do all blue. And all I have is a kitchen brush, so I decided to do this. Now I'm just going to do the ends. Okay, so keep your head up just like that. And I'm just going to paint, Sydney, you have to move out of the way so they can see. I'm just going to paint this on her hair like this. Now, the one thing that you want to know is that the lighter your hair, okay, the better the color is going to show out and the less time that you're going to keep it on there. I would say this is probably going to last anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks. So I think it would be a good idea to do it early in the summer. That way by the time they go back to school, they don't have blue and pink hair, right, Sydney? Okay, so I'm just going to get that really good. I'm using a towel and clothes that if we get a little blue one, it's not going to be any big deal. And we're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. And hopefully when she's done, she's got nice pretty blue streaks in her hair. Okay, now for Sydney. Okay, Sydney's a little different. We have a little experiment going on with her. She's going to do a couple different colors. So we're going to do the bottom of her hair blue. Now these ones, you want to go up as high as you can. Okay? These ones, you're going to go up high.
Yep.
Now this, don't go as high up. This one you're going to come not quite as high up as you did the back ones. We're going to let this set for about 15 minutes and then we'll let you know how it's going. All right. Okay, guys. Well, the girls are waiting patiently with their hair dye. So we can't leave the boys out because they are, how old are you guys?
I'm 13.
They're
I'm 12.
12. 12 and 13. So we have to have something fun for you guys to do this summer, right?
Yeah.
How's the quarantine been feeling?
Bad. Dumb.
Yeah, nobody's loving the quarantine. So these boys decided that today they are going to make some Kool-Aid slushies so that they can have some fun with the Kool-Aid too. So Christian, what do you got going on here?
So first you add 1/2 cup of water.
Okay, so what state of matter is that right now?
This is a liquid.
Okay, so let's put the liquid. We have a NutriBullet we're going to do this with. So he's going to put the water into the NutriBullet. Okay. And then we have, what's next?
Then we put 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar, so we know this is super healthy. I wouldn't do this every day. Okay. Put that in there. Okay. Now, what color Kool-Aid are you going to make your slushies today, Christian?
I'm going to use red.
Red?
Cherry.
Cherry, okay. Let's blast it in there. Okay, in goes the cherry Kool-Aid. And now, Peyton, what are you gonna add?
I'm gonna add some ice.
Okay, and what state of matter is that water?
A solid indeed.
That's a solid.
Is not all of it.
Okay, that's good. I put that in your thing. A solid. So we've got different states of matter for this water. Okay. Now I put now we blend it. So we're gonna put the lid on it and we'll see how it goes.
Christian, cheers to summer of 2020.
Cheers.
Okay. Well, just like every science experiment, sometimes things can turn out really good and sometimes things don't turn out quite as you expected. So first I'm gonna have Sydney come on over here. Sydney's is finished. And here's Sydney's hair, okay? Now you will notice that it turned very red where we did the red, but the blue didn't turn out so much. You can see that, and she has kind of like a light brown hair, so you could really see those shades of red, but the blue in the Kool-Aid did not work as well as we thought. So when it came time to do Catherine's hair and we took the blue out, there was no color. She was a little disappointed. So I decided instead to mix Kool-Aid in hot water instead of the conditioner, which I've done before. So we mixed a couple different blues in the hot water and stuck her hair in there. So what I did is I just put water in here, put a couple packets of blue Kool-Aid in there, stuck it in the microwave, let it boil, and then stuck her ponytail back in there. So Catherine, now this was a real surprise. Her hair turned almost green. And so turn around so they can see it. So she's got some little bit of blue, a little bit of green, and she's super excited about it. And that's really all that matters. So now the nice thing is this is supposed to last about 2 to 4 weeks. If it doesn't, and you're headed back to school after quarantine, you can always have a nice summer haircut to get rid of anything that you're not happy with. So I hope you all have a wonderful summer and have fun experimenting with your kids in the kitchen or outside or anything you can do to just spend time together and have fun. So happy summer 2020, everyone, and we'll see you later.